Okay, so we've got a 2010 Holden Berlina International wagon, automatic in black, just ticked over 160,000. Got the reverse camera sensors and tow bar, good set of alloy wheels, got the roof racks there as well. It is the Series 2 in a 3 litre and has had the timing chain just replaced and presents in excellent condition. Just a beautiful car. We'll take a look at the interior. So we've got the Bluetooth connectivity, audio trip, 160,000 kilometres, big colour screen, CD radio, dual zone climate air, and yes, it's automatic. The interior leather seat trim's all in excellent condition. Does have the side airbags there as well. Show you in the back seat, all looking pretty much like new. And I'll just show you inside the boot. A nice big boot. All inquiries welcome. Please give us a call.